folks, today we're going to be unboxing the Roborock Q10 series. This model is the Q10V Plus by Roborock. So let's start unboxing. Right, I have opened the box. Now let's just take the quick start guide out. Pop this on the floor. I believe this is gonna be a little tray for the base, maybe. And this looks like safety guidelines. Put it on the floor with the others. Lift this up. Oh! And here is the robot vacuum. And then lift another one of these up again. Put it here. And here is the cute little... Aww. It is so adorable. Here's the power cable for this little... Looks like I'm in love. Totally not. Okay, need to pause the vid. This is gonna be very hard for lifting this. Oh no, that's another one of these little boxes. So there's 3. Alright then, little box. What's Baby gonna do? Is she gonna jump in it? Or what? We'll have to find out. Oh, she did it! Oh, she's in the little box. Alright, back to unboxing. Okay, so I'm going to have to pause the video again for unwrapping these. 1 second. Wow. Take this off. Here is the obstacle avoidance sensor. Here's what the back looks like. Let's look at the dustbin. Oh, you can remove this. Whoa, this dustbin is very big. Here it is. Here's where you put all the water. There we go. I'll just peek through there. Here it is. Here's the little black door over there for where it lets out the dust. So the amazing features about this vacuum is 10,000 pascals of suction. And it also has a dual tangle free system, so it's an anti-tangle side brush. And then the roller brush is also zero tangle. If I take this out, you can see the little comb down there. And try to put this back in. Let's move this so it doesn't get trapped. So So here's the Zero Tangle Arc Side Brush. Now that is cool. This has a Vibro-Rise mop pad. And the little button down there allows you to remove the pad. Here it is. This feels so heavy. I'm sure that's because of a vibration. I'm not sure. And these are the charging contacts that line up to the dock. Speaking of dock, I need to unwrap this guy just like the robot. I'm gonna pause like the same thing. So here's the base. And then this cover is also removable, just like the robot's lid. And then here is the dust bag. So here it is. There's the fan filter support down there. So you can't wash it. That's what you're not allowed to do with other self-emptying robots. All the robot vacuum chargers are electric. And then with this cover, you can either do it this way, or you can go backwards. That is cool, but let's just do it this way. And here it is. Here's the contacts, and here's the little hole in there. Here's the inside of it. Here's what the pipe looks like. This self-empty bin is so tiny. That is the reason why I bought this. Okay, now we're going to have to go set this up.
Starting to dock. What do you reckon, B? Is it a pretty cool one?
Can hear it flying. Right, it's done mapping, so it's gonna start cleaning. Have a nice day, Roborock. Even Bambi might want to react. And this is my new bathroom, getting even more renovated. I got my bathtub, I got a sensor tap, I got a backlit mirror, and I got a shower screen. Check out my shower, do you like it? Looks pretty. My heartbeat completes. We'll see. So, while this video is going, if you're a big fan, have you liked and subscribed yet? And like the video, comment, share. Wow, it increased the suction a lot. That's cool. Oh, it's gonna clean around its face. But look how tiny it is. It's tinier than the Q10V Max Boss. Aww, this face is so adorable. So it said it's finished cleaning. So it's gonna head back to the base. It's gonna empty itself maybe. We'll see. We just need to let it navigate because this is its first run out here. Anyways, they're now making the home button pulse instead of flash. That's what I also like about it. Just need to let it position. It's over there, next to the Q8. We'll see how loud the water empty system is. Let's just let it dock. Here we go.
Starting to empty.
wasn't that loud, but still good. The video is finished. If you enjoyed, once again, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we will see you later. Bye-bye.